Ableson lectures are lectures named after a man named Brad Ableson, who was a USAO alum. He graduated about 30 years ago, and he was a Navy chaplain. And one of the things he did as a chaplain was help soldiers and officers understand other cultures, and in particular other religions around the world in places that America was involved in militarily. And so when he died in 2007, part of his estate went to the college to set up a fund for mutual religious understanding between different religions. And so the lectures are framed around the idea of religious reconciliation between different faiths. And in the past we've featured Buddhist monks, an indigenous woman, academics, Syrian refugees, just different people and speaking from their different experiences of religion and their place in the world. I think it's always important for people to learn, especially for us as contemporary Americans, to learn about the experiences of other people around the world and what it's like to live in other parts of the world, to have a different set of beliefs, different set of practices. It's only through that kind of understanding that we'll actually be able to be compassionate towards others and build a better world. This year's speaker is a priest from South Africa. His name is Father Michael Lapsley. He's worked really hard in peacemaking efforts after apartheid in South Africa, and worked to reconcile the African black and African white populations in South Africa, and actually was the victim of terroristic violence himself. He's a really glowing example of what peace and compassion are in this world.